Lubricate the OD of the rear bearing with grease. On shaft assemblies that go into aluminum housings, lubricate the OD of the bearing holder, not the faceplate. On shaft assemblies that go into cast iron housings, lubricate the OD of the front bearing. Insert the new wave spring into the rear bearing bore. Insert the shaft assembly into the housing, and then install and tighten the retaining screws. Install the impeller on the new bearing assembly, and use the new impeller nut and lock washer provided with the new bearing assembly. Insert a long punch between the impeller vanes, or grasp the impeller with a strap wrench to prevent the impeller from turning. Torque the impeller nut to 96 to 144 pound-inches for nuts used on 3/8-inch fine-threaded shafts, or 204 to 264 pound-inches for nuts on 7/16-inch fine-threaded shafts. Clean the old body gasket from the volute. Put a new body gasket on the bearing assembly, and then install the assembly on the pump body. Install the 8 volute cap screws and tighten them according to the torque specifications in the cap screw torque values table. Now, we're going to reinstall the spring-type coupler and motor. Install the new coupler on the pump shaft. Make sure that the coupler set screw is seated in the shaft dimple. Lift the motor into position and attach the motor side coupler half. Make sure that the coupler set screw is seated in the shaft dimple. Support the motor and then install the 4 screws that hold the motor to the bearing assembly. Connect the power leads to the motor leads and replace the conduit box cover.